Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Ismael Rosado, Milo Transportation, monedas, moneda, coins. Ismael Rosado. Guys, wow, I don't know how to start this because I saying these things so many times and keep happening. All right, guys, ladies and gentlemen, I do have a business for selling and buying coins. I don't know what is wrong with that. I don't know what you don't understand. It's selling coin and buying coins. And I want to make it clear one more time. Guys, I don't know what you're doing in United States. I live in United States. I'm a Puerto Rican. After I got out of my job because age, not because I didn't do my job right or anything like that, because my age just get to the time that I had to get retired. I'm a professional pilot, qualified to fly any aircraft. Let's put them this way, and I still have my license current. I'm the only pilot that I know in the United States that got a heart attack, and I don't need no other pilot around me to watch me because I let the medical facts people that I can fly an airplane by myself without being watching. And let me tell you something, it was a hard fight, but yeah, I just had to do a medical certificate once again and do a stress test, and I'll be able to pass. So I have a medical certificate that I passed, 2005 I got the heart attack. By 2008 I was having my license totally recovered with no issues. So I'm gonna tell you something. I have paid my Social Security complete twice. I have denied to take the Social Security, and I have 67 years. Okay, those girls. Hey, listen, I don't want to make any offended to anybody. You have a job as well as I do a job. I have a job selling coins. You have to respect that. You have a job doing, and it's hard to me to say. Yeah, I don't like to offend any woman, But if you're selling your body, you're selling pictures. Hey, girl, you can be my granddaughter. Come on. You got 20 years. You can be even my granddaughter. My grandson, the older one, is 34 years. All right? So let's talk about that. Don't try to get on my page because I'm going to do a date with you, because I'm going to buy you pictures of your body. You know how many girls on 67 years have go through my hands? I've been married 3 times. I divorced 3 times. You know how many girls went through my hands, and you know how many things I've seen that maybe not yours, but I don't have any interest to see anything from you. So I won't buy you. I don't pay nothing for any picture. Let's talk clear. I'm sorry, YouTube, because I have to say this because I have childs with parents that they see, and this girl are posting videos on my networks, and well, at least somehow they don't let them go on YouTube. But this video goes across all my networks. And listen, I don't care what your job is. When I do a video and somebody wants to come in my page, you are more than welcome. I don't rush anybody. Hey, come into my page because I'm the best. No. You see the video. If you like the video, you put the finger up. If you want to join on my page, that's very fine. But have to be respectful, because you are not the only one is going to come over here, and there is not going to be a way that you're going to keep posting any naked pictures, any naked video on my page. In any one of them, I will delete anyone. I will banish anyone that do that. So please, girls, if you come over to the page, I'm not on your page. I'm not on your channel. You coming into my channel. Don't keep doing this practice because it's not gonna happen. I don't gonna pay for chatting to anybody. My channel is totally free. If you wanna come here, you wanna listen about coins, you wanna listen how to collect coins, very fine. Nice. I will be very happy if I can teach you, if I can let you know that in your pocket change you can find probably some kind of a coin that worth money. That would be great. Something else. Guys, I don't take nothing from the government. I already say I deny my social security twice already. So I don't get nothing out of the government. If you have a government bonus that is giving you $3,000 to $4,000 or probably more, I'm not stupid. Come on, guys. If you get whatever from the government, that's nice from you. Don't try to convince me. Don't try to push on me that come over and go to a web page. If you a scammer, hey buddy, go to another place and I don't want to be rude with you. If you a scammer, you are on the wrong page. You're dealing with the wrong guy. All right? Hey, I got my face in here. You see my face? You see my wrinkles? This wrinkle are not because I just making tissue and I just making them. I just been around too much, more than a penny in a railroad track. So don't try to come and have a scam on my page that I'm gonna give you money. Guys, I'm not stupid. So I just don't want to be rude with anybody. The same. Guys that do Bitcoins. Nice for you. You making money out of Bitcoin? I live with what I have. Very good. Yeah, I sell coin if they buy me. If not, I exchange the coins or I do whatever I can. I don't need to do any account with Bitcoin. Guys, don't get offended. You do it. Fantastic, man. You're doing money. What happy is that? That great. Hey, I got $67 at 67 years. My kids are raised up already. They know what to do. I don't want to leave an account for the government here. No way, man. Do you think that I'm gonna make an account of Bitcoin, make a lot of money, and die tomorrow and leave it to who? To you? No way, man. Come on. Are you got something on your brain that is not working? Yeah, probably. But I'm gonna tell you something. If you wanna come to my page, you wanna see what the coins that they value, they have an adverse value money. That's fantastic. Yeah. Don't try to call me anybody. This is include men's and women's. Hey, guy, when I do a decision, I keep that decision. As a pilot, I learned a long time ago, even before you born, how to make a decision and keep it. And that decision keep me alive. Hey, every time that I do a decision, it got a reason for it. It's not because I just thinking that you're gonna rip me off. No. It's a decision that I made because I know where I go. If you don't know at your age where you going, guys, you are wrong, man. You are on the wrong page. So, I don't want to make any offenses to anybody. You all welcome to my page. But in my page, I talk about money, religion. Hey, guys, I'm very proud you guys doing a religion. You're getting out of a kid out of the corner. You're getting a different aspect of life. Yeah, I very proud you guys doing something because probably if you are not doing that, you're gonna be the worst bad guy in the street. So keep doing what you're doing. That's fine. As well as politic. You're a politic, you wanna do politic, fantastic. I'm not saying anything about that, but let me tell you something. I'm not a politic. I'm not a religious. If you go and ask for donation, guy, you're on a wrong channel. You know why? Because I don't go to your church. And this is for pastors. There is a lot of pastors coming here asking for money. And especially, they coming from India, they coming from any other place where you cannot send nothing to them. They asking for money like they think that they can hack my account or they can hack my internet. But it's not going to happen, guys. If you got a church, that was what your election was. It's not mine. I didn't tell you be a pastor. You know, if that's what God tell you to do, God had to support you. You know, He had to find a way that you get the money that you need to support your family, and you have to work it out. It's not being a pastor just to being and bothering other people that doing money or not that support you. Hey, I will never, hey, listen to me. I will never be a member of your church. And I make it clear to you. That stupid game I played a long time ago didn't work. Okay? So I'm not a pastor. I'm not a religion. I respect everybody. But on the time that I'm doing it now, I'm getting offended. Every time that I have a pastor come and God bless you, and the next thing they ask you, give me a donation because my family is dying of hunger. Hey, if your family is dying of hunger, I have 67 years and I work 23 hours a day. So if your family is dying of hunger because you want to become a lazy pastor, guys, that is not the problem of anybody. You have to solve your problem. Go to work, because if you got time to being around with people in a church, you're supposed to know that you have to work it out. You have to work it out. You have to work your member as the same way that I'm doing mine. I'm not rushing anybody. I don't calling anybody. I don't text anybody to tell them to come over to my network. And listen, this is totally voluntarily free. I will not call you for giving me money. I will not call you to support my family. I will not call you to support my needs, because this is not for that. And I'm so sorry that I have to say this, because there are some people that they just trying to get advantage, or they don't understand what it's all about. And I gonna say it one again. I sell and buy coins. If you don't want to listen to my things, yeah, I be very patient, because now I start raising some people. But if you see me, I was over 3 years in here and I only got 207 followers. It was not for the fun, because my tongue rolls on rollers. And if you don't understand that, ask any Puerto Rican how the rollers on your tongue work. But guys, ladies, don't bother me with that. Don't try to send me any porno videos, because you're going to be banished and you're going to be reporting. Especially those guys taking advantage of girls. Listen, you have a business taking advantage of girls. Good for you. I applaud you guys, but don't try to mess with me, man. No. You do your business, I do mine. And I make it clear. Anyone that send me porno, you're gonna be reported. I don't care how many times they're gonna get you out of here. Even the police. Police, you don't have to look nothing in here. If you got something against me, you just come over to my house and you let me know. Police are looking for people that they just trying to rape little girls on the internet. It's not my problem, whoever rape whoever. It's not my problem, because I don't do that. But get out of my computer because that is not my problem. I doing a serious business in here, and I don't care about any girl. If you have a need of a man, hey, look for a man where you live, because I even can travel not even to my next town, which is Connecticut, to see any girl. All right? I don't fly anymore. I don't go in any airplane, not even pay, even that I have a right that I can go to an airport and I find any one of my co-pilot, my ex-co-pilot that they flying as a captain, or people that I know, and I may get a ride in any airplane for free. So listen, I don't fly anymore. I don't go anywhere. The time that I have is for doing my business and not losing time with any girls, with any Bitcoin guys, and I make it clear. Don't try to spam me telling me that the government is giving it. The government is giving you, nice for you. Take it. That's why we are a nation that is on bankruptcy, because the people are taking advantage of the government. Hey, guy, go to work, because the money that the government give it to you is not for drinking beers and doing other things that I don't want to mention in here. But yes, do something for yourself, because that doesn't gonna last forever. The money doesn't last forever. If you don't work it out, you're gonna be broke next month, and you are not gonna get nothing, man. So, guys, I throw this rock, put them to roll if you wanna put them to roll. I don't push anybody to come to my page, but this is a serious page. This is a serious page. I will not allow anyone, but anyone, to come with any naked videos, porno videos on my page, or anybody trying to dig over my subscribers to be if they want to do bitcoins or they want to accept terms of the government giveaway. That the government give away, and you, buddy, it's not our problem. So guys, stop it down. And this is Maelo Transportation /monedas /coin in Maes Rosado. Good luck with that, guys. Not in this page. All right. I see you guys. If you like the video, you can give finger up. If you don't like the video, you can delete the video out of your computer, whatever it is. As well as I will delete any porno video that you guys send me over. So you have a great day, great afternoon, or great evening. Bye-bye. You see me on my next video. Bye-bye.